Hello there, Scott here, Chopper Airport. Today on the bench, I've got this Weiand Track Warrior, part number 7622. This is a single plate intake manifold for a 9.8 deck big block Chevy with rectangular port cylinder heads and 4150 style carburetor. Taking a look inside, you can see I've got this one fully competition ported with a burr finish. This is ready to run on 582 cubic inches at 10.7 to 1 compression with AFR 335 CNC cylinder heads. And I'll take a moment here, we'll flip it over and we can take a look at the port side. And here we are on the flip side. Before I mentioned the 335cc cylinder heads, this is the gasket that AFR recommends. It is part number 6855. Here we can take a look at the gasket match I've had done. With the ports dimensionally slightly smaller. You can see everything is blended all the way up into the plenum. If you like what you see, press subscribe. In the meantime, happy motoring, folks. Stay safe.